As one of the 150,000 dynamic manufacturing companies operating in Ireland, you're already making a significant contribution to the future of food, pharma, medtech, polymer technology, and engineering manufacturing globally. You have achieved an 80% growth rate in the past decade, and you currently operate in a high-performance environment, embracing innovation in science and technology to compete on a global scale. But more will be required in the future if you are to remain competitive and claim your share of a dynamic market, which is forecasted to produce €350 billion in global sales by 2024 in the medtech sector alone. Our recent survey of discrete manufacturing members shows that 40% have failed to future-proof their business with robust strategies. 55% struggle with organisational change, and more than half are without a full digitalisation roadmap. To support the Irish manufacturing sector in the pursuit of enterprise excellence, the Irish Medtech Skillnet and the IBEC Medtech and Engineering Advanced Manufacturing Working Group have jointly developed a people-focused system of continuous improvement to help you stay at the forefront of industry. This model is MÓR Enterprise Excellence. MÓR is a mentor-led business management model which adopts and applies complex business tools and concepts in your organization, empowering your people to achieve their full potential and maximize your bottom line. Innovate more. Collaborate more. Produce more. Achieve more in your business. Manufacturing companies are invited to register their interest in this funded program, which is now open. Learn more at moreexcellence.ie.